Hey guys, just Capture, and in today's video, we're in JJ server. And if you don't know the IP, look in the description down below. JJ is the owner of this. So, this in your server. Nakita ko lang po to sa Facebook. Nung may nag-post nito, I mean sa YouTube. Yung kay Live Gamer. And ang IP nito ay nasa description. Ilalim. Ito po. Wait lang. Si JJ ang owner. Kung owner di JJ. Lalaki nakita nyo kanina. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung helper, si Gabi. Itong another helper, si David Black Miner. This, Boss, and Boom, and Pokemon Boy, and been here on me. It's me, Desmo Crafter. And it's the special guest, of course, Sen32, Studio 285, Ben Hero PH, and this, Pajo. Hey. Okay. No. Oh, that's an ordinary guest. Thought that was a special guest. Maybe the nations and then later, okay, want to selfie with me. So I'll forgive him, and here I'm going here. Okay, open. Where'd you? Okay, said it's okay. I JJ and GTG server. GTG. Okay, so it's the warps. Yes. PvP Arena. Desert PvP or Jasa. Okay, let's go to dash spawn. Go to spawn, and this video is up to I think 10 minutes again. Just like that, and this is the city, and we have no plot. The mine, warp mine. Oh, so and homes are this like this is broken. I think someone gripped that house, and this is a nice house. O siyang walk. What a beautiful house. And diamond. No. Okay. GG. Oh yeah. This is, yeah. is the co-owner, which I'm so laggy. Tapos, tapos, okay, I said I have no house. Okay, I'm speaking English for international cause, but I'm a Filipino. You speak English too. Oh, is this your okay? To understand the other people, the Americans, what am I saying? If I speak in Filipino like Ben Hero, others will not understand it. So I speak man, playing hide and seek with that guy, Chiquito. Legit, he cannot find me. But you, just a cheater or a cheater. You're a cheater. This bedroom, okay, a nice bed, and his roof. They're floating. There, right. There you go. This in here and the garage. Okay, right there. A floating block. And guys, this is the end of the episode. And please join the server. This is the end of Survival. I mean Server Series episode 1. The end. Goodbye.